You are going to love the 2021 F-150. A Ford F-150 knows how to handle any situation. It's built to follow orders, no whining. This vehicle has less than 65,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, tire pressure monitor, daytime running lights, tires front all season, tires rear all season, rear wheel drive, four-wheel disc brakes, steel wheels, brake assist, variable speed, intermittent wipers. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.
This Ford certified pre-owned vehicle has undergone a rigorous inspection by factory-trained technicians. We notice everything. Enjoy the confidence of the comprehensive limited warranty that offers coverage on more than 500 components. Relax, it's covered. See your dealer for details.